Continuing the vision established in the phases 1 and 2, the phase 3 takes forward the same landscape-driven approach, extending the network of green pockets, pathways, public spaces along the riverfront. The highlight of phase 3 are the organic sitting spaces, the green roof restaurant, the memorial, and of course, yes, the musical fountain. So one of the most unique features of the riverfront restaurant is its green roof, which helps it blend naturally into the landscape. So when we were designing this, instead of placing the building on top of any the site conditions, we chose to nestle it into the terrain so that the views of the river remain open and uninterrupted from the road. A lot of thought went into the levels here. As you move along the road, you continue to enjoy clear views of the river without the restaurant blocking your sightline. It's only when you start walking down the natural slope that the restaurant slowly begins to reveal itself. We wanted the experience to feel really gradual and unexpected. So rather than seeing the entire building at once, it unfolds as you move through the landscape. That journey eventually leads you to a space which is defined by organic forms, open views, and a close connection with the river and its surroundings.
The memorial was designed to honor the brave warriors who fought alongside Lachit Borphukan in the Battle of Saraighat, one of the most important events in Assam's history. The structure is positioned as the focal point in the landscape. A clear visual axis is created from the memorial through the fountain and surrounding open spaces, such that it is visible from every point of the riverfront. Additionally, its height and proportions help it stand out. While designing the memorial, we looked closely at historic structures like Ronghor and Karenghor. The overall form is inspired by traditional Ahom architecture, with its layered composition, arches, decorative elements, and distinctive roof profile. The lower portion of the memorial contains the names of the warriors to remember and celebrate their contributions. The use of terracotta colors was inspired by the traditional materials and historic monuments of Assam. In this way, the memorial becomes more than just a landmark. It is a place where people can connect with Assam's history and remember the courage of those who shaped it.
The seating draws inspiration from the rolling hills across the river, translating them into soft, organic forms that help visitors feel immersed in nature.
Sustainability is our key focus in this project. For the seating spaces as well as the rain shelters, we've used railwood, which is an exterior grade natural composite fiber. It's a very versatile material as it allows us bending as well as CNC cutting to achieve all our designs.
What you see today as hard stone grey walls are eventually going to turn itself into green living walls with the Vidalia creepers establishing themselves. The whole idea is to make nature an integral part of the architecture so that over the years the landscape feels more lush and organic rather than being rigid and built.
So we hope you enjoyed this glimpse into Brahmaputra Riverfront. Stay tuned as we bring you more such green spaces and the stories behind their design.